Hey YouTubers, it's Mark, and I'm True Seeker at the Mars Anomaly Research Channel, and we're going to show you something in Sol 981. It's going to be quick. I mean, there's a bunch of anomalies in this picture, and Will over at What's Up in the Sky 37 did a cool video last night that everybody should check out, and you know, I'm going to just show you there's one piece that really stands out to me, and I think it's incredible, and I'm going to zoom up as close as I can into it. And before I do that, I want to take you over to a video I did. This is something for like the naysayers, people that you may know that don't believe. This is like one of my top video finds. It's probably it's up there. I mean, to me, this is just a grave marker. To me, that's a lot of what we're looking at, statues and grave markers. I believe that's why they're in that area. I believe there's other areas where there's a lot more action and on Mars, but I think they picked this area for a reason. And this is one of the main anomalies in that video. I'm going to put it down in a link. It's called the smoking gun up close. It's just I think it's a really great video, and if you can share it, show it to some people. But I mean, just look at that. I mean, there's no way that all these pieces, this face, I mean, look at the goatee coming down, this triangle grave marker. It looks like there's people carved into it and depicting a scene. There's just no way, I mean, just one or two answers. This is not a Mars, or it is, and this is the shit that they're covering up. And I'm sick of it. I'm sure you are. And I just need you guys to share stuff like this, just to get it out there, tell people. All right, and let's go take a look at that picture I want to show you. Okay, this is the picture. As always, I'll put the link down in the description, and I'm going to put the link for the video that Will did, and I'm also going to put the link of that video of mine that I just showed you with the grave marker. All right, the piece that I just want to show you in this is right up here, and let's take a closer look. Look at this piece. I mean, you can see it's a triangle buried, and then there's another, looks like a piece carved into the center of it. I mean, to me, stuff like that is just amazing, and it just gets me excited. Look at that when it's inverted. I mean, this object is there, it's real. No ifs, ands, or buts about that one. And there's objects all over the top ridge of this. I mean, obviously, this place was blown to hell. I mean, you could see the artifacts, and whatever hit this planet hit it hard. I believe there's a lot of grave markers and stuff because the people of Mars that survived, part of me believes they're underground for whatever reason. I mean, the object that hit Mars maybe blew a lot of its atmosphere off. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've looked at Mars through my telescope and through a buddy of mine's, and I'll tell you, most of the time it doesn't look red at all. I mean, it's actually got a pretty cool color to it. And you know, I've watched a lot of videos and images of people, you know, home astronomers that have looked at it, and I don't know, it just doesn't look red. It looks like it's got a nice atmosphere. So, I mean, just more of the BS that we're, you know, being fed by by NASA, the government, about Mars. You know, they're scared. They're hiding, you know, whatever they found up there. You know, I mean, there's objects up there to me that look golden. Imagine if there was just gold all over the place. I mean, and technology. I mean, or, you know, if it's a planet that's really habitable, you know, where we could, you know, God forbid if something happened here, hey, we got an exit plan, you know, the elite are out of here. They got a place to go. I mean, you got to think, if there was a massive, you know, asteroid or body coming to hit Earth, I mean, do you really think our government's going to tell you? You know? I mean, all of a sudden, the elite are going to be gone, you know, and we're going to be left here to fend for ourselves. I mean, look what happens with, like, simple floods and simple disasters. I mean, with FEMA and stuff, you can't even get help for days. So imagine the chaos. I mean, you're not going to see on your local news that there's an asteroid, an asteroid coming the size of, a stadium. I mean, you know, the chaos. I mean, look what happens when they announce a little snowstorm's coming. So there could be many reasons why they hide a lot of these objects. You know, it's just, on our part, it's speculation. But there's one thing that we all know for sure, is that they're hiding a lot from us. And, you know, there's not much we could do about it except put these videos out and have people, you know, our subscribers share this stuff. That's all we can do right now. Alright, guys? I'll catch you on the next one. True Seekers out.